mama. So when breastfeeding, sometimes we can become hyper-focused on how to increase our milk supply, when really we should be thinking about what decreases our milk supply. And there's one really important word that I think you should know because it is the killer of our milk supply, and that's coming up. Welcome to the Kids OT Help Channel. My name is Nicole. I'm a mommy, a pediatric occupational therapist, as well as a certified lactation consultant. And on this channel, my goal is to help you better understand and serve your little one's developmental needs. So consider subscribing for weekly helpful tips. So today we're talking about one critical aspect to mamas who experience a decrease in milk supply. And that one word is pressure. Simply put, increased pressure on our milk-making cells causes less milk to be made. So this is our milk-making cell, our alveolar cell, all right? So it's this actually has a gash in it, so it's not gonna get so full, but beautiful and round, and let's assume it's filled with milk. Now, if we have pressure on the cell, then what happens? It starts to change shape and it can't fully expand. If this is now its new structure, then less milk will fit inside of this structure. More pressure, the less the cell is able to expand and fill with milk. Less pressure, less able to fully be round and filled with milk. So this is pressure killing our milk supply. Now you might be wondering, when would I experience said pressure? So I'm gonna run you through a few examples. So the first scenario would be if your little one continuously leaves milk in the breast after he or she feeds. So if your breasts aren't empty after a feed, this can increase the pressure, which can decrease your milk supply over a period of time. So if you want to remedy this, either grab a pump or hand express after your little one is done feeding to make sure that your breasts feel empty. The second scenario is skipping feedings. And we've all been there, right? Either we're running an errand or maybe we're out of town or baby just slept a little bit longer than we are used to. Your breast may become engorged, and this engorgement does put pressure on the breast tissue, which can, over time, cause a decrease in your milk supply. So the third scenario is one in which I don't think many people are aware of, but any restrictive clothing or bras especially can increase the pressure on our breast cells, thus decreasing our milk supply. So mamas, make sure you're wearing a comfortable size bra and you're not wearing tops that are too restrictive or tight, because again, that's changing the shape of the tissue and the cells and not allowing them to expand completely into that nice round circle and fill with milk. And the fourth scenario, which again is one I don't think a lot of people know, is breast implants. And that's because the breast implants take up space in the breast. So if it's taking up space in the breast, it means that other things have to move and change shape to accommodate the implant, which means increased pressure on the tissue and the milk-making cells, which again may mean that they can't expand to their full capacity, thus decreasing milk supply. So pressure is the killer of abundant flow. If you feel like you're still having difficulty getting your milk supply up and you've checked for all the pressure points that we've gone over, check out this video right here on how to increase your milk supply. All right, mamas, I hope you found this video helpful. Drop any questions or comments below and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye.